Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alice and today I'm going to show you how to hang a med.com backslash round mirror. And for this DIY you will need a tape measure, a hammer, ruler and 2 screws or nails, and you definitely need a mirror for it. And you'll need to measure the mirror to see where you're gonna position the nails on the wall, and then go ahead and just mark on the wall where the nails are gonna go. I did not have a magnet level gauge, so I just used a piece of wood to just make it straight. And then go ahead and hammer your nail, and then you might need someone strong to help you carry the mirror and make sure it's properly fixed before you let go of it. And this is how the mirror looks, which I'm really pleased with it. It's an amazing mirror. It's a 76 centimeter mirror, which is the largest I think they have for this range. And yeah, if you like this kind of DIYs, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see how I did these abstract arts, which were also from med.com, you can click this video to see it, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.